Welcome to Mason in Wonderland and Happy Halloween! Tonight, bedtime story is drum roll, please. Little Blue Truck's Halloween. Are you ready? Let's begin. Little Blue Truck and his good friend Toad are going to a party just down the road. Beep, 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 says Little Blue. It's Halloween. You come too. Who's that in a tutu striking a pose up on the tiniest tips of her toes? Under the mask, who do you see? Quack, says the duck. It's me, it's me. Who's this clown with a big red nose and a cap that jingles wherever he goes? Under the mask, who do you see? Bah, says the sheep. It's me, it's me. Who's this queen with a golden crown and sparkling jewels and a velvet gown? Under the mask, who do you see? Moo, says the cow. It's me, it's me. What scraggly hair, what funny tooth, who is hiding underneath? Under the mask, who do you see? Oink, says the pig. It's me, it's me. There's a fancy feather on the pirate's hat. Who's dressed up in a hat like that? Under the mask, who do you see? Cluck, says the hen. It's me, it's me. A dragon's head and dragon wings. Who's that wearing those dragon things? Under the mask, who do you see? Neigh, says the horse. It's me, it's me. Croak, says Toad. There is just one more. Has anyone seized this ghost before? Off comes the sheet. It's you-know-who. Little Blue Truck says, beep, beep, boo! The end. Good night and sweet dreams, little Mason bears. We'll see you tomorrow night for the next magical story adventure.